Guys, my video for today ay magluluto tayo ng Chinese soup again. So ito may carrots tayo, may watercress nut, may cowgrass root, at saka yung sugar cane. So itong apat na ingredients guys ay papakuluan lang natin ito ng 2 oras. So ayan guys, napakulo na ako ng water. So ilalagay na natin lahat ng ingredients natin. Halu-haluin lang yan siya lahat guys. At papakuluan ng 2 oras. And that's it. At antayin na lang natin guys na maluto siya ng 2 oras. So thank you so much for watching. And God bless. I love you all guys. Ingat kayo palagi. At salamat sa laging pagsusupport kay Lilian Herbar Channel. At kung hindi pa kayo guys nakasubscribe, please subscribe Lilian Herbar Channel. At paki-press the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong upload. Thank you so much once again. And have a good day. And happy cooking everyone. At ito ang ating soup for today guys. Guys, nagalagay na natin lahat. So, takpan na natin, guys. Ayan na, guys, ang ating soup for today. Ayan. Ayan, luto na siya, guys. Ready na ito. Nakaboil na siya ng 2 hours.